I've discovered an incredible way to make money online through Faceless YouTube automation channels. Take this channel as an example. They post police body cam footage from Minnesota and started only a year ago. Now, they're getting 10 million views monthly. With a $4 CPM, that translates to $90,000 a month or almost $3,000 a day. And they're not alone. Other channels are racking up millions of subscribers and pulling in thousands of dollars just by uploading similar videos. But you might wonder, where do they get these videos? Is it legal? Will this niche be monetizable? And why are people so captivated by this content? Stick around, as I'll answer all these questions and walk you through creating a similar channel from scratch. At the end, I'll also share a viral formula for this niche that could help your channel go viral with the first video. This niche could be the lowest competition opportunity you've ever seen. Follow these steps, and you might be able to build up views like these channels do. Step 1. Pick a channel name. Before uploading anything, start by picking a unique channel name. A name defines your brand, but don't just rely on something generic like Police Footage Hub or Bodycam Central. Instead, use Namelix, a great tool for creating memorable names. Type in keywords like bodycam, police footage, law enforcement, and real-time action, then click Generate. Names like Cam Watch Patrol or Justice Lens sound catchy while fitting the niche well. Remember, though, the content quality is what ultimately matters, so choose a name you like and move on. Step 2. Set up a new email and YouTube channel. Once you have a name, create a new Gmail account specifically for your channel. This keeps everything organized and professional. Then, use this email to sign up for YouTube. Click on your profile, select Create a Channel, and enter your channel name. Congratulations, your channel is now officially created. Step 3. Design your logo and banner. Your logo and banner are key to making a good first impression. Use Pinterest for design inspiration, search for terms like police badge logo or law enforcement background. Find images that represent your channel's brand, save them, and then upload these visuals to your YouTube channel. Pinterest offers tons of free, high-quality inspiration to create a polished look. Step 4. Craft a channel description. Write a brief description to introduce your channel, like, "Welcome to Cam Watch Patrol, where we bring you real, unfiltered police body cam footage from across the country. Watch as law enforcement officers respond to incidents in real time." Keep it simple and straightforward to let viewers know what they can expect. Step 5. Source body cam footage. Here's where it gets interesting. You can find police body cam footage on U.S. government websites. Head to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection site, click on Newsroom, then Accountability and Transparency. Here, you'll find body cam videos related to police incidents, including dates, locations, and police statements. This footage is made public for transparency, so you can use it without legal issues, as long as you add value to avoid copyright problems. Step 6. Edit the footage for engagement. To make the videos more captivating, edit only the most action-packed parts and enhance them with commentary or narrative elements. Use ChatGPT to help transform police statements into a gripping script. Prompt ChatGPT to add suspense and keep viewers hooked, and you'll get an engaging script ready for voiceover. Step 7. Edit with Filmora for a professional finish. With all your footage and script ready, it's time to edit. I recommend Filmora AI software, which offers an array of tools like voiceovers, transitions, color correction, and even AI-generated background music. Import your footage, sync it with the voiceover, and use transitions to keep things smooth and engaging. With Filmora, you can even generate subtitles automatically, which is great for short-form videos. Step 8. Cross-platform promotion. Once your video is ready, consider repurposing it for short-form content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram to reach more people. By linking your long-form videos with shorts, you can boost your growth on multiple platforms and drive even more viewers to your channel. If you're serious about starting, I highly recommend checking out Filmora for your editing needs. It's a time saver that will make the whole process easier, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating engaging content. Remember, Consistency is key. Start now, and with regular uploads, you might just create the next viral channel in this low-competition niche.